Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick review swatch and tutorial on Colourpop Cosmetics Ultra Glossy Lip in the particular shade BOBBIDI. This retails for $6 for 0.11 ounces of product, and it is described as a soft coral shade. Now, this is in collaboration with Disney. It is their first collab with the princesses, the Princess Collection, but they did just come out with the villains, and I'm super excited because who doesn't love Disney? I absolutely am obsessed with Disney, and I am so obsessed with this gloss in particular, so I can't wait to see what they come out with in the future. But back to this gloss, it's a high shine formula that creates a see-through glassy finish with a sheer tinted color. It's all shine and no shimmer, and enriched with jojoba oil to moisturize, nourish, and provide a cushiony feel for juicy, fuller looking lips, which you will see in my video. But on my medium to tan olive skin, as you can see, it's definitely a very bright pink peachy shade, and it's absolutely beautiful. I do have to say that it does have a very small applicator, doe foot applicator, so you do have to dip in your product a lot just to apply it all over the lips evenly to create a full look with this gloss, but that's not really a problem in my opinion. But yeah, so this gloss is vegan and cruelty free. Also wanted to mention that, and I love it for everyday looks. I love it for very natural glowy looks. And that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my playlists and my Colourpop playlists and my lip playlist, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye guys.